I feel like a lot of our amazing team members have come to us from working together in other settings. We've each had different jobs at one point in time and kind of connected with people, or in school you make these connections and then eventually everything kind of comes full circle. We're like, hey, we're looking for a hygienist. And like, actually, I know a friend of a friend, and it's like, hey, I actually knew that person. So it just is really cool to see people come together in a very organic way. And yes, we do, job postings, but really we do multiple interviews with them. We want to make sure they fit our culture as an office and as a team. We want to make sure that they uphold our values as a person. So we spend a lot of time really getting to know them as a person, and I would say we hire for a good heart and a good person. We can train dentistry. We can pretty much do everything and teach them anything, but we can't make them be a good person. So if they have a good heart, then they're going to make it here. And if they don't, we don't hire them.